In a bustling city square, a hapless street magician tries bold tricks that hilariously misfire, drawing curious crowds. Each botched flourish sparks spontaneous music, dancing pigeons, and kids declaring the spectacle the week's most entertaining malfunction. A surprised spectator becomes an accidental host, narrating the chaos with grandiose compliments that turn mishaps into viral moments. The crowd catches a rhythm, clapping to missed cues and cheering when a card trick accidentally reveals a business card. By sunset, the Misfire master earns cheers for turning failure into fearless fun and reminding everyone humor is alive.